everyone, I am Raluca and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you guys how to create a soft and glowy spring look, mostly using some Sigma products that I got in the mail recently. Without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Sun protection is so important for your skin. It prevents premature aging and you should apply SPF every day. I'm using this Avene SPF 15 face cream and using my fingers to apply it. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Ordinary Coverage Foundation in the shade 1.2 Yellow. This is a liquid foundation, so I shake it well before applying it. I use one pump to cover up my entire face and I'm buffing it in using a Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C2. I'm blending it in with the foundation with the same foundation brush. And then switching to a smaller concealer brush from Real Techniques to blend in my eye area. To prevent any creasing, I set my under eye area with the Berries Microtouch powder and use whatever is left on my brush to set the rest of the face. For contouring, I'm using the Nyx Highlight and Contour Pro palette and I'm contouring my cheekbones and the perimeters of my face. Also, I'm softly contouring my nose as well. And to set everything in place, I'm using the NYX Matte Setting Spray. Moving on to highlighting, I'm using this Sigma Shimmer Cream in the shade Brilliant. It's a cream highlighter, so I'm using my fingers to apply it to my cheekbones. It gives a natural glow, perfect for an everyday effortless look. On top of that, I'm going to apply a powder highlighter as well, and I'm using the Sigma Chroma Glow Highlighting Palette. I swatched all the shades so you guys can see what they look like. The blue shade is a really pretty duochrome. I don't know if you can see it on camera. The brush I'm using is a Sigma F03 brush. It has really long soft bristles, perfect for applying highlighter. To go with the soft theme of this look, I'm going to mix the first two shades of the palette, Peaceful and Ambrosia. Next, I'm going to use the shade Lush as a blush. That rhymes. Moving on to the eyes, first I'm going to apply the Sigma Eyeshadow Primer in the shade Sorbet. It's sort of like a cream shadow to me, but guys, this thing lasts for ages. I couldn't even get this swatch off my hand. On top of that, I'm going to use the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, and firstly I'm going to blend the shade Toasty into my crease and lower lash line using a Sigma E25 brush to create a smooth transition. Then I'm going to apply the shade Beaming on my lid and the inner portion of my lower lash line. Close to my lash line, I'm going to apply the shade Henna and diffuse it into the rest of the look. I'm then curling my lashes and applying the Sigma Sinuosity mascara, which is the most clump-free mascara I've ever tried. I'm then highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone using the shade Ambrosia from the Sigma Chroma Glow palette. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Bear With Me. If you want to get yourself any Sigma goodies, don't forget to use my code raluca10 at checkout to save 10% of your order on the Sigma website. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at raluca.makeup. Bye guys!